Welcome back to Overheat, Volkswagen Motorhome 2026, traveling with comfort, innovation, and sustainability. External design. Traditional silhouette with a contemporary inflection, the Volkswagen California or Grand California's iconic boxy shape is still there, but it has more contemporary and aerodynamic lines. For durability and fuel efficiency, lightweight composites will probably be used in the body materials. Panoramic windows. Unhindered vistas can be obtained with larger windows and perhaps a panoramic sunroof. Integration of external technology, sophisticated parking sensors, 360-degree cameras, and perhaps an external touch panel to operate specific functions. Interior premium and sustainable materials. Recycled and sustainable materials will be used extensively. A sizable central touchscreen serves as the integrated infotainment system. Kitchen. With an efficient refrigerator, freezer, sink, induction stove, and lots of clever storage space. The kitchen will be ergonomically designed. Adaptive lighting. You can change the intensity of a smart LED lighting system. Connectivity and automation. Wireless charging, several USB-C ports, and an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot will guarantee that all devices remain powered. Electrified Powertrain PHEV or BEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle PHEV powertrains, either standard or optional, or perhaps a fully battery electric vehicle BEV variation, are probably going to be available for the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome. Adaptive Cruise Control ACC with stop-and-go capabilities, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated park assist are examples of advanced driver assistance systems ADAS. Adaptive suspension. A comfortable ride can be achieved with a suspension system that can adapt to the load of the vehicle and the road conditions. Intelligent energy management. To maximize efficiency, a cutting-edge system will control power consumption from the car's battery, solar panels, and outside sources. Advanced safety features, GPS tracking, and security cameras in addition to ADAS.